Welcome traders, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to win with a prop firm. So when joining a prop firm, it's a good idea for the relationship. You want to understand how and what the prop firm wants of their traders. What are the rules, what are the setup, and what are the account conditions, so that you can maintain a long-term winning performance with the prop firm, so that both parties can get some kind of reward and benefits out of the Forex market. So here at Forex Traders UK, we do like to look for low risk traders with still upside potential, but relatively low risk traders who have a handle and are frequently showing good results, long-term winning strategies, and they are a profitable trader over a large sample size of trades. And that becomes apparent as the traders move throughout the levels, level 1, 2, 3, 4 and beyond. The strategies and the sort of performances that we see through the traders, we can sort of identify and pinpoint exactly what are those good methods and what are basically the better strategies, which are more low risk, they offer more upside, and ultimately a long-term profitable performance, which is what you need as a trader, especially if you're working for and with a prop firm. Traders should try and become neat and accurate with their trades. So that comes down to all of the position setup, the approach to a trade, and each trade should have stop loss, take profit, and all of the levels correctly placed with the risk to reward ratios. And obviously as we go back and we review accounts, performances, etc., it's good to see that traders have a handle of this and they can understand exactly what's happened in each scenario, in each situation, and then they can actually handle and manage the position accordingly to how the market moves. So they've got full control over the account. Obviously market conditions and volatility, we obviously can't handle that, but what we can control is our account and exactly how accurate we are being with our trades. So basically that's what we recommend all our traders look to improve. And also reliability. So we want reliable traders who are gonna meet long-term profitable performance. It doesn't have to be relatively big percentages, but the ones that are long-term, making month after month several good decisions. And that's all we can really ask for, is a trader does their own research and basically makes their best decisions as best as they can. And yeah, it's just all about being neat and long-term winning accurate trader is what basically most prop firms will want. As a trader for a prop firm, you're gonna really have to manage your risk. Now, you should manage risk anyway for any account that you manage, but really you have to have two things in mind in overall, basically to effectively manage the risk when actually managing a prop account. And the first thing to consider is that some trades just won't work out, and we need to know when to let go and not let our ego come into play and not chase any trades. If you do let's say for instance take a loss on euro versus the dollar, and it's a buy trade, and then you go back in for another buy trade thinking that the market has come down a bit but it will eventually meet my target, jumping back in repeatedly is a bad decision. So obviously know when trades won't work out, and then step away from the computer and step away from the account. And then number two is how much you'll lose when number one happens. So how much money are you actually going to be losing on that trade, on that setup, on that pair? Is one loss going to lead to two losses or even three losses? And just knowing when to get out of the market and just basically take some time away, breathe fresh, come back with fresh mind, and then try and learn from your mistake, learn from what happened, and then try and make a better decision next time is all we can really ask from a trader. Managing other people's capital, so obviously working with and within the rules and responsibilities, and basically ultimately doing your best. You obviously want to try and prevent the termination, the account termination, so you want to be risking small and earn the right to trade bigger. Increase the sample size of trades, and just essentially take your time when it comes to managing the prop account. And also, if you are trading for a prop firm, then obviously you know already, you will have had some experience within the market, so utilize all of your tools that you have available to you: position size calculators, journals, risk assessments. Make sure you do look on the traders dashboard that we have at Forex Traders UK, analyze all these account performance statistics, and try and build upon the neatness and growth of long-term longevity in the Forex market, which is essentially what we're looking for, and try and meet those profit targets to actually scale up the account through the levels, and yeah, basically become a more profitable trader, which is a win-win for us as far, you know, as a prop firm here at Forex Traders UK. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and trade safe.